Hi, everyone. Hi, Jeniece, and hi, Craig. Thanks for joining today's episode of Precision Meets Protection, where we explore innovations shaping a safer, smarter agricultural future. I'm Tanzil Kamal. I'm the head of marketing and sales at Cast Software. And today I'm joined by Craig Shaw, the CEO of Virus Shield Biosciences, and also Jeniece, who happens to be the CTO, who's been deeply involved in building and sharing this bold vision. Craig, Jenice, it's great to have you both here. Thanks so much for making the time to join today's session. So I'll start with Craig, and I'll ask him a question that is more around foundation and the ecosystem of the solution. Craig, this is particularly about the bigger picture, right? For those discovering Virus Shield Biosciences for the first time, how would you describe the core of what you do in infection control? And now, with your expansion into agriculture, what drove that shift from clinical protection to safeguarding crops and ecosystems?
Yeah, thank you, Tanzil. Um, as a company, Virus Shield Biosciences, we are very much into health and hygiene. And as you quite
Right.
rightly stated, we started out in the hygiene market, killing bacteria, fungi, molds, and mildews in wherever human beings would come in contact with them. And we also moved very quickly from doing what you would call typical medical conditions to classrooms, schools, and therefore we became involved in agriculture from, let's say, storage of products. This then became a situation where we started to learn from the farmers that they had a lot of problems with since climate change or temperature changes globally, that molds, mildew, and fungi and bacteria cultures were starting to affect crops in the field. And we looked at what we could do, for example, in a hospital room. And then we said, well, we could do exactly the same out in the open environment. But it was how do we protect the crops and protect the ecosystem at the same time and not kill everything, but just kill specifically what we needed to kill
Right.
and remove from it. And that's where we developed.
That is quite the journey from healthcare to agriculture, and what a powerful crossover in the mission.